What is digital marketing?
Digital marketing is the practice of using digital channels such as search engines, social media, email, and websites to reach and engage with your target audience.
It's a critical component of any business strategy in today's digital age. But what is digital marketing exactly, and how can you earn from it?
In this video, we'll explore the basics of digital marketing,
different strategies you can use, and tips for measuring success. But first, let's delve deeper into the world of digital marketing. Did you know that there's a hidden world of digital marketing that most people don't even know about? It's a world that's full of secrets, mystery, and intrigue. And if you're willing to unlock its secrets, you could be in for a big payday. The truth is, there are many different ways to earn from digital marketing. From search engine optimization, SEO, to social media marketing, SMM, email marketing to pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, and content marketing to affiliate marketing, the opportunities are endless. But the real key to success in digital marketing lies in understanding your audience.
You see, digital marketing is all about connecting with your target audience in a way that resonates with them.
It's about creating a relationship of trust, providing value, and offering solutions to their problems. And when you can do that, you can earn their loyalty and their business. But how do you do that? How do you connect with your audience in a way that resonates with them?
Well, that's where the suspense comes in.
Because the truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to that question. Every audience is unique, and the key to success lies in understanding what makes them tick. That's why, in this video, we'll be exploring the different strategies you can use to connect with your audience, including SEO, SMM, email marketing, PPC advertising, and content marketing.
We'll be looking at the tools and techniques you can use to understand your audience, create engaging content, and measure your success.
But that's not all. We'll also be exploring some of the lesser-known ways to earn from digital marketing, including affiliate marketing and influencer marketing. These are powerful strategies that can help you leverage the power of other people's audiences to grow your own. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of digital marketing and start earning big? If so, then stay tuned for the rest of this video, where we'll be diving deep into the world of digital marketing and uncovering some of its hidden secrets. Please consider subscribing to our channel for more educational content.